Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most essential features in the Wix editor, using strips and columns to structure your website. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only how to add these key layout elements, but also how to use them confidently to create a site that looks polished and adapts beautifully to different devices. So let's get right into it. Start by heading over to your Wix website design. When you first open your project, you'll land right in the editor, and this is your creative playground. Think of your website as a blank canvas. You get to decide how things are arranged, and that control begins with understanding how layouts work. Strips and columns in Wix act as the backbone for how content flows and appears across screen sizes like desktop or mobile. Now, to begin using these tools, look over to the left side of your editor for the Add Elements button. If you haven't used it much before, it's your gateway to everything from images, text, and interactive buttons to more complex sections. Click on this and you'll see a list pop out with different options for building your site. From here, you'll want to click on Strip. Strips are one of Wix's most versatile groups. They act like horizontal sections or bands that can hold background images, colors, or even videos. Think of strips as shelves on your website where you can organize content attractively and keep things separated, making your site easy to navigate. Strips also stretch across the full width of your page, which keeps everything neat and responsive so your design won't break apart on smaller screens. After you click on Strip, you'll see several themed categories. For this walkthrough, let's choose Services. This is especially handy if you're building a portfolio, a business site, or anything where you want to highlight what you do. You'll notice you can select from a variety of templates, each with built-in design choices like color schemes, text placements, and sample images. Take your time scrolling through them and pick one that matches your style or the vibe of your brand. Remember, you can always customize these later, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect on the first try. Once you've added your strip, here's a tip that saves time and energy as your site grows. Use the Layers tab. This tab is a powerful organizer, showing every element on your page in a list format. If you've ever tried clicking around and accidentally moved the wrong section, you'll appreciate how Layers lets you easily see what's where, select each element, and make changes precisely. It's like looking at an aerial map of your website. No more guessing, and everything is right at your fingertips. As you continue building, remember that in Wix, strips and columns are your best tools for structure. Strips hold horizontal areas across your site, while columns allow you to split those strips vertically, giving you even more flexibility. Columns are perfect for laying out text next to images, arranging feature lists, or organizing services side by side. They keep your layout responsive, so on phones and tablets, your design stacks and adjusts smoothly instead of looking squished or out of place. Take your time to experiment. If you make a mistake or don't like what you see, it's easy to adjust or undo changes. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Most people need a few tries to get comfortable with all the options Wix gives you. The more you work with strips and columns, the more your site will look and work just the way you want. And that's it for today's walkthrough. I hope this helped you understand how strips and columns work in Wix and gave you the confidence to start designing your own site. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.